Hey guys, so today I decided to make my own wig. So the wig cap that I'm using today is from Sally's and the hair that I'm using is from Rosa Queen Hair. I am going to start off by sewing the frontal down, making sure it's pulled tight on both ends so that I don't have any lumps when sewing the hair down. Because I need to get this done quickly, I am going to be using a hot glue gun to secure my tracks down on the wig cap. If you would like a full detailed tutorial on how I do my wigs using a hot glue gun, then thumbs up this video or leave it below in the comment section. I am finishing up. This took me probably about 15 to 20 minutes to complete this wig look. Super easy. So now I'm just going to pluck the hairline just so I get a more natural look. This wig already came pre-plucked pretty good, but hey, you know me, I gotta pluck a little bit more. I did go ahead and bleach the frontal off camera as well, just because it gives a more natural look, and it also hides those little black dots that show up on the frontal. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like after I am done creating it. And next I'm just going to cut some layers into the hair. So I cut the hair about shoulder length, and that was pretty much the look that I was going for. And because I made this wig on my own, I don't have to use any type of combs, elastic band, glue or gel or anything like that to secure it down. So that's one of the advantages that you do have when you make your own wig. So only thing I'm doing now is cutting some of the lace out and spraying the hair down with water. I really do like that this hair doesn't need any type of product to achieve the curly wavy look. So this is pretty much the final look. I did pull the stocking cap back off camera. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.